Standing tall at 182 meters in height, the Statue of Unity is truly a marvel of modern engineering. It's a tribute to Sadar Vallabhbhai Patel, the greatest leader and the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. The glorious statue stands tall near Narmada River in Gujarat and is a magnificent sight. Other than the Statue of Unity, the place offers many attractions like the Valley of Flowers, Jungle Safari, Glow Garden, Cactus Garden, Butterfly Garden, Ekta Cruise and much more. So sit back and enjoy the virtual tour of the tallest statue in the world, Statue of Unity. What's up guys, it's Grishma and welcome to my channel and welcome from Statue of Unity. Our booking is of 4 p.m. You have to do online booking for all of the things when you are coming to this place, even the Statue of Unity, the attractions around it and all those other things as well. So our booking is at 4. It's currently 3:30 something right now and we'll wait for some time and then head to Statue of Unity. Sadar Vallabhbhai Patel Statue of Unity and I am speechless. It's so beautiful and from far away also it's huge, so imagine what it would be when we go nearby it, and it's world's largest statue and that too we have that in India, and so it's such a proud moment for us Indians and we are proud to have the world's largest statue in our country. There, so you don't have to walk at all, and I think it's genius because there's a lot of walking that's involved and going through this is very amazing. Total height of the statue is 182 meters, which represents the 182 constituents in here in Gujarat, and this took like 42 months to build. That is the Statue of Unity. It's 182 meters in height, which is equivalent to a 61-story building. It's massive. The more close you get, the more you feel like you're so tiny. Currently we are inside the viewing museum and it's so beautifully made. And here the stories of Sadar Vallabhbhai Patel have been displayed in like photographs, paragraphs and all the different formats where you can learn more and more about his life. And that is his story, his journey is all displayed here. This is the museum and where you can learn about Sadar Vallabhbhai Patel's life, his facts and his stories. And you can learn about the story, you can see the pictures, the videos, the story that they started playing, and you can just sit and learn everything at once. So this is how equipped this place is. Going to the top of the viewing deck where you can see the whole Statue of Unity, the exterior as well, and it's going to be beautiful. I've seen it in photos. That place is present at the heart of Sadar Vallabhbhai Patel's statue and that is where we're going. So this is the viewing deck. Here you can see the view from the heart of the statue. So the statue's heart is where this viewing deck is. It is present on the 45th floor, and from this you can see the entire area exterior of where the statue is built, and it's very beautiful, and we're going to check it out.
मैं स्वागत करती हूँ। और या जिस जगह पर जो खड़े हो सरदार साहब के चेस्ट लेवल पर यानी कि दिल में हो 135 मीटर और 45 फ्लोर 450 फीट के अंदर आप आ गए 38 सेकंड में। और ये पूरा मटेरियल ब्रॉन्ज का बना हुआ है। 85% कॉपर है और 55% उसमें टिन जिंक का लिड डाला है, तो जंग नहीं लगेगी। पर यहाँ बनाने का विजन क्या था? सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल जो थे करमसद नडियाद गाँव के थे। यहाँ बनाने का विजन है सामने डैम, सरदार सरोवर डैम। ये नर्मदा नदी पर बना हुआ, राइट साइड पर सातपुड़ा, लेफ्ट साइड पर विंध्याचल। दोनों पहाड़ियों को जोड़ते हुए जो डैम है, वो डैम का सपना सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल का था। तो डैम पर 30 गेट है। एक गेट का वेट है 450 टन का, यानी 6 माल बिल्डिंग जितना। डैम बनाने में 56 ईयर्स लग गए हैं। 3.5 साल में 250 इंजीनियर, 3000 से ज्यादा वर्कर थी, तब बन पाया है। और इसकी जो डिजाइनर, स्टैचू की जो डिजाइनर बनाने वाले रामवी सुथार जो थे, महाराष्ट्र थे, दुलिया डिस्ट्रिक्ट के। जब उन्होंने यहाँ का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लिया था तब 90 साल के थे। 1905 एज के हैं। जो सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल का पैर है 70 फीट का, 7 माइल बिल्डिंग जितना। छोटी उंगली का नाखून है 4 इंच का, फिर 5, 6, 7 2 पिलर का डिस्टेंस रखा है। आप सबकी यात्रा सुखद रहे। थैंक यू। Skeleton of the statue, and you can see all the way almost till the bottom of the statue. It's very impressive how this built. And also one more fact, it is built by L&T company, which is one of the finest infrastructure company here in India as well as all around the world. So that on top of there is the button of the fort, and you can actually see it from here. It's so big, it's bigger than a car's tire. Now we are at the feet of the statue, and the feet itself is so massive. Like how this is built, the structure is so beautifully made. Of the whole place. It looks so beautiful. Everything is lit beautifully. Back behind me is the Narmada Lake and the dam, and the laser show is going on at the Statue of Unity. And this is the butterfly garden, there's a cactus garden, and every place over here is beautifully lit. It's such a nice sight, but the camera is doing no justice to it. It's not catching how beautiful it is. Also tomorrow we are going to all these places, like all the other gardens and attractions which are near. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also click the notification bell to get notified, and there will be more and more videos. And if you are still here, then make sure to check out the Surat series as well, the video that was shot and posted before this. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.